Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Ford Focus LX hatch, stock reference number 5752. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through to the 7th month 2011. It has an AODB 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. AODB 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard has two small dents. Bonnet has no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, and the instrument cluster.